Hi, John here. In this video, I will show you a couple of winning products that you can test right now, and I will show you everything basically using that AliExpress VIP tactic, that you could watch in my previous video. And well, basically, I will go through a couple of products, of like best dropshippers. I will undercover their VIP links, so basically you can immediately take these products that I will show you and test them, and basically you can buy those products through that specific supplier, right? So definitely watch this video. First, I would like to thank you for a lot of you that decided to be a part of Ad Federation, my free Facebook mastermind group. It's a really great group, and well, it's full of people who spend millions of dollars, every month on Facebook. So if you have more advanced questions, then definitely join our Federation because we'll help you sort them out. And also, if you like my videos and you want to see more of them, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button. And also, if you have some interesting ideas about future videos, then definitely comment below. Okay, so basically first I will explain you what is VIP Link. Well, like I said in that previous video that you can watch here, basically VIP Link is that link, for example, every time when I have winning product and it's from AliExpress, I usually tell my supplier to completely rename that product, to put it to some like weird category, put like VIP on it. So when my product basically will start getting traction, and my competitors immediately catch up, right? And they try to, well, clone my ads, and when they kind of like make that product work, they immediately go to AliExpress to source it. And the worst thing is, that for example, when you are running a product and you are only person that is running it and you are buying from AliExpress, for example, made a deal with that supplier about like some specific price for you because you are buying bulk, and then the competitor will come there and start buying from that product link, for your price basically. So basically they are trying to steal your ads, your product page copy, and then they will buy from same link like you did on AliExpress. And basically a lot of people try to then hide their own products this way, right? To make it a VIP link. However, a lot of these AliExpress dropshipping suppliers are kind of trying to like fuck them over, So when they start getting like traction, for some product, when it's like VIP link, they are kind of like sad, because they cannot convert these people who are coming to their page, and because they don't know what is inside of that link, right? So sometimes they do a mistake, like they say, and next to that VIP link, they will also create a real product, with real price, basically same price like the VIP link, with all like images and everything, so those people who come there can like search a little bit and find that product, which is basically kind of like betrayal to their like main customer. However, these Chinese people want to make like as much money as possible, so this is how it is. And now I will show you how to kind of like search there, and uncover these VIP links, so you can immediately take these links and use them for you. Okay, so let's start with AliExpress. So first you need to type here VIP. And then basically you see here tons of VIP links, right? Okay, so let's check this one. And basically here we have for VIP, 1000 orders, and there we have United States, China, Spain. And here basically that supplier, again, made a mistake, and you can see that basically here is like a whole description of that product, right? Which is like set, for that main customer, because this is how his competitors will find out, right? So basically what we need to do now is try to find that car FM transmitter in their store. So let's check products, and it's this one. See here, for example, the price is like a lot higher, but it doesn't mean it's a different product. This could be, for example, buy one get one free, right? Or it could have like something inside, but basically you see that this is what they are selling here, to 255, right? Well, it even makes sense, see, because here it's 637 and 037, so it's like 7, and basically here it's like 248, right? Plus this, that's exactly 7 as well, right? So it's this product, and this is how these suppliers are trying to like, work with their customers, and be like super professional. So here basically now you can test this product. First I would check it on Amazon if it's okay, and well then immediately you can message the supplier And what is important here, it's probably the United States price, right? If they made some link, it's possible that it's because of those other warehouses, right? Because I don't think most people who sell like bigger amounts, you know, they are caring that much about China. I think it's more about that United and Spain, right? And Australia and France. For me, for example, it would be super important United States and Australia. I would not go to France and Spain. And it's possible that's why it's by VIP Link, you know, because they made a deal on these other countries, you know, because that supplier have already stock in these countries, right? That's why it's probably VIP Link, you know. So that supplier is selling that main wine only in China, and this person is only one who is selling it in these countries because they probably have limited stock here. So these people would be scared that they will sell out that stock, you know, those like normal people on AliExpress. Let's check another one. Okay, so this one is like easy, right? Because here that supplier really don't care. Yeah, this is that classic thing, you know, this is fine. Problem is that be careful about videos if you will test this product, right? Usually this is like for women, you know, and you can see it here, right? And it will be a little bit on the edge with Facebook, right? You cannot tell that person will feel better, and you can't show too much skin, which is problem with videos because that's mostly what they are trying to show on videos. Okay, so let's check another one. Okay, VIP customer link. I mean, this is like obvious. I would be careful with watches. I mean, overall like fashion things because people like to return them, and I just don't do fashion, so I would probably tell you to not go to watches. Okay, let's check another one. This one. And I think this one is like obvious. However, I would be like very careful with these posture things because, well, Facebook really like don't like when you are showing, you know, back pain and things like that. So I would be like super careful, you know. I mean, it can help people, but still, I would be like very careful. And basically, here it's like obvious, you know, that they sell like 700. It's like VIP links, and they have stock in United States, so you can do that. Okay, let's just now go out of United States and just sort out orders based on that VIP. You can also like sometimes find these suppliers and then ask them if they have stock in United States, because sometimes they have tons of stock in United States, you know, they just don't have it on AliExpress because a lot of these companies are like big, you know, and they have like multiple departments, you know, and multiple stores, right? And you never know what stock they have in the United States because sometimes you can ask them and they will immediately tell you that, okay, like we have actually this product, this product, this product, and we have them all in the United States warehouse, right? Because they have like multiple stores. So just always try to even ask them, and they will send you a list of products they have in the United States. And good is that usually they don't ship like shit, you know, to the United States. Usually they send there only like winning products or products that were winning, you know, for some marketers, you know. And basically when those marketers like stop selling them, that stock just left there, you know, and nobody is doing anything with it. So it's possible that if you will even make it work, they will try to like get rid of it like a lot quicker and for cheaper price. Okay, so let's just keep going. So we will now check this one for $18. And well, they didn't like hide it. It's basically some hair cutter, but again, it's like it could be like fine product, but still like beauty. I don't like beauty, but for people who do beauty, it's probably okay. Okay, let's just keep going. There's some blue, green, purple, pink, and they say toy hoodie. Well, that should be like easy to find, right? Yeah, and this looks like something like toy or something. So it could be actually this one for Timo toy hoodie. It could be this one. Yeah, because it's basically bag and a hoodie, so it's probably that one. And basically, here he's buying it pink, purple, blue, green. Yeah, and exactly pink, purple, blue, green. And basically he's buying it for 17.46, and basically here that supplier is selling it for 25. This is actually interesting product. I mean, first, it's a one size. It's easy to know that what color will buy boys and what girls, right? So let's say that you will pick one of those boy colors, right? So you will pick, for example, blue, and then you will pick like that pink or that purple, right? And it will be easy for people because first, I think the biggest pain for like parents or grandparents who are buying it is that size, right? They will not know what size, but when it's like one size, it will be like a lot easier for them to choose. And then color is also easy, because if it's girl, they will pick that like purple or pink, and if it's boy, they will pick that green or blue, right? And if you will literally pick one boy color and one girl color, you will make that decision like a lot easier. So this is actually cool, because then you can like transform it to like a backpack, you know, or like some plush toy. So this is great. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so please do not actively purchase this product, and it's probably post corrector or something like that. I mean, this is product that almost like everybody sells like for last years. I don't like it. I think Facebook hate it, but well, you can try it. You will also find tons of suppliers, you know, who have like more stock, not only by using those VIP links, you know. You can find them also like normally by just searching, you know, like post corrector or something, then sorting it out based on United States, and try to talk with these people, you know, because if they have like thousands of orders and they already have like stock in USA, you can start selling it. When you will have like 50 or 100 orders, you will immediately like message them, you know, that you want better price, make a deal, you know, and then you are like fine. Because for example, when you will make a deal with person who already have stock in USA, you will be able to immediately, you know, like increase your sales, you know, because you will not need to wait for stock, you know. For example, me, when I am trying to scale something, you know, from like nothing, you know, and my main supplier doesn't have it in stock, I usually need to wait right now around like 7 days for them to create it or source it from somewhere, that specific product, and then it takes like 2 or 3 weeks basically to book a plane, you know, they will take it to US warehouse, right? So I need like 3 or 4 weeks to basically source it, you know, from the China. And I'm not talking about ship, you know. Ship will take like 2 or 3 months basically to get it from China to USA right now. So I'm talking about like fast way, you know. Okay, let's just do, here, paper link for Kevin. 1 pieces, 2 pieces, 5 pieces. So let's just check what Kevin buys for like 7.90, 7.29. No, 60.40. 60. 60.40. Okay, so it's this one, see? 3, 2, 1. So basically, he's buying it for 7.29 and they are selling it for 9.48, right? So again, this is also like great price, right? So basically he has like $2 off, right? And this product is actually fine. I tested it, so it didn't work for me, but I know people that are selling this product like actively, so I know this is fine and it will not kill your customer feedback score. Oh, see, VIP link for no. This will be like some kitchen product, dumpling mold. So let's check. See, like normal supplier would just like use some keyword, but this person needed to say, you know, it's specifically dumpling mold, you know, because he's getting traction on it, so he wants other people to search it, you know. And here is, and it's possible it's this one plus that, you know, so they make maybe like so it's like $1 cheaper, you know, maybe, because they basically sell it for 7, you know, so it's like 9 or something. Okay, so yeah, this is actually okay product, you know, and well, if you are going to sell kitchen products, then definitely always try to sell them from like that steel, okay, not plastic, because those plastic ones usually like break fast, you know, and people are angry and will give you bad customer feedback score. But these they are from steel, you know, they will like survive anything, you know, and people will never like even ask for a refund, you know. So definitely like there's this one, you know. So basically, yeah, he's selling like some set, you know, and yeah, and this is his. Because otherwise it would not make sense. Yeah, it's definitely this one. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and now you understand how to use those VIP links, you know, to find good suppliers, you know, with stock in USA, and basically how to like steal your competitors their products, you know, which basically they would do to you as well, you know. So thank you very much for watching, and if you still didn't join Federation, then definitely join Federation today. And also, if you got flagged recently and you would like to restart your promotion and keep running your ads, then definitely download my free ebook, Facebook Ad Ban Survival Guide. I wrote it to get you out of that Facebook circle of hell, you know, so you can again restart everything. Doesn't matter if you've been banned, you know, were restricted from Facebook, it's all there. So definitely download that book, and I will see you in next video. Bye.